guys, so we're in the parking lot right now. We're about to pull out of school and leave. By we, I mean me and my sister, who's a freshman. You guys, I don't know if a lot of people know I have a sister or not. I don't know. In vlogs, you might have seen her before, but yes, I have a sister who's a freshman and I'm a senior. So I just want to get this little intro done because I'm getting my tattoo today. But first, I want to show you guys what my first week-ish or so of being 18 consisted of, because I got pink eye. That was not fun at all. And then I threw a venue party with two of my other friends, Aaliyah and Alexis, and I'm going to insert pictures. So I just wanted to include those really quickly. Tattoo today because I'm 18 and we're getting coordinating tattoos, so that'll be fun. But I'm gonna stop vlogging in the parking lot now because this is awkward and people can probably see me talking to my phone. So yeah, bye. We're on the way right now. I'm gonna in myself. It's not that bad. Ow, it's like scratching basically, like someone's scratching your teeth.
Pretty much.
Yeah, sure.
You know.
It looks so cool.
You like it?
Yeah. I survived.
Okay, you can mind.
Nothing? Really? Nothing?
No, yeah, it hurts. Just a little.
Okay, so it dawned on me while I was editing this video that I never explained why I got a tattoo, what the tattoo means to me. Also, I didn't like do a follow-up about like the pain and my experience, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now since you've already seen all the footage I got, which wasn't much. It's currently day 3 or 4 of the tattoo now. You'll see at the end of the video a clip of my mom putting the wrap on it, and it hurt really bad, but she like peeled off the top layer of the sanded down for some reason. Oh, that sounds stupid. I have my clear KeyNote in on top, so yeah. So why did I get a tattoo? Mostly for the fact that I just wanted one. I've wanted one for a while now. My mom has a few, and so I was like, you know, that's cool. Tattoos are cool. Yeah, there's really no like hidden like deeper meaning to it. I know a lot of people get tattoos for very sentimental, deep reasons. The reason I got some flowers is because it's my favorite flower. It represents a lot of happiness for me, and I know it represents other things like loyalty, I think, or something of the sort. So yeah, they're yellow. I love yellow. That's basically why. It just makes me happy. As for my experience with getting a tattoo, it was okay. It wasn't horrible. It was definitely bearable. I was nervous going into it because I know the ribcage is a very sensitive spot to get a tattoo in, especially the first one. But it's honestly bearable. You know that feeling whenever a dog like jumps on you and they're like scratching you, but they're excited. You know, that's what it feels like for a majority of it. Some parts I couldn't even feel. Some parts kind of tickled because I could feel the vibration of the tattoo pen against my rib cage. Overall, it took like an hour and a half because I had to take a break in the middle. About like 8-9% of it was done, is what he said. When I took the break because I felt a little bit faint, and I don't know, my blood sugar was like shot or something like that. I don't think it was too low because I definitely ate a ton of food before going because I knew that I would feel faint. Anyways, it wasn't horrible, and as you guys saw in the picture earlier, my mom got a coordinating one on her ankle. Barely had any reaction to it. She was like, ow, oh my gosh, ow. But like, I didn't film any of that, but for the most part, she was pretty quiet. She was just playing on her phone. That's what I did. I watched a YouTube video. I watched a, what's it called? Like one of those crime story time videos. That's about it. If you have any questions about tattoos, let me know in the comments down below. I'm making cornbread for Friendsgiving tea. Well, cornbread dressing. That's what all this is right here. Oh, I'm dumb. I need the directions. You know, Earth looks. Transferred it to a bigger pan. Here's how it looks. It's like throw up. You can still see some pieces of butter that hasn't blended in right yet. So stay tuned so this turns out. I'm really not a bad cook, I promise. Life is so lonely, baby. I've been loving you, 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 fine. Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over one more time. Let's talk it over. Let's talk it over one more time. Let's talk it over.
No, it didn't.
I like whose camera is this? I like it a lot. Oh my god, I'm vlogging.
You don't play with it.
Someone put a flashlight. Hold on. I got this. What are you thankful for?
Everything. Just everything.
What are you thankful for?
Huh?
What are you thankful for?
Park throwing up.
What are y'all thankful for?
You know, females.
This? What are you thankful for?
Family.
I'm thankful I threw up.
I'm thankful for all my friends. All my friends and family.
Gay.
Boys! I'm thankful I'm not like that. Are you gonna say something?
I'm thankful,
For us. For that picture with all the girls.
I'm thankful for all these hoes.
What are y'all thankful for?
Cocaine.
God bless America.
Okay.
Wait, how the f you turn it on?
Oh my god.